Today I'm going to show you how to connect Hermes Agent directly to Telegram. By the end of this video, you'll be able to text your computer right from your phone, ask your AI agent to search the web, and help you get your tasks done without sitting at your desk. So let's get into this. First things first, we need to create a new bot on Telegram. Open up Telegram and search for BotFather. Start a chat and type the command /new bot. BotFather will ask you for a name. I'm just going to call mine Hermes Agent. Next, it needs a unique username that ends in bot, so I went with Hermes Agent Demo _bot. Once that's done, BotFather is going to give you your HTTP API token. Keep this private and save it somewhere like a notepad. Next, let's head over to the terminal. Open up the terminal. I'm using WSL. Then type in the command Hermes Setup Gateway and hit enter. You'll see a menu asking you to select the platforms to configure. Use your arrow keys and the spacebar to select Telegram. The CLI will prompt you for that Telegram bot token we just got from BotFather. Simply paste it right here and press enter. Next, Hermes has a built-in security feature. It wants to make sure random people can't just start chatting with your personal agent. It asks for allowed users' IDs. So to get your personal Telegram ID, go back into Telegram and search for a bot called user info bot. Send it the /start command and it will give you back your user ID. Just copy this and head back to your terminal and paste the ID into the allowed users ID prompt. After entering your allowed IDs, the CLI will ask if you want to use the exact same ID as the home channel. Just type Y for yes and hit enter. It might prompt you to reconfigure other platforms like Discord or WhatsApp, but you can just hit N to skip those for now. Finally, it will ask to restart the gateway to pick up the changes. Hit Y one more time. Now, even though it's just restarted the user service, I always like to do a manual reboot of the gateway just to be 100% sure everything is fresh and working perfectly. So in your terminal, type Hermes Gateway Stop to kill the current process. Once it stops, type Hermes Gateway Start. Go back to your Telegram chat with BotFather and click on that t.me link. This will take you straight to your new Hermes bot. So send a quick message like "Hi Hermes" and then wait for its response. And there it is. Your AI agent's now living right inside your Telegram app. So let's see what it can really do. I'm gonna ask it to find today's latest news headlines. Look closely at the chat. You can actually see Hermes executing terminal commands like curl and browser navigate right there in the UI to fetch real-time data from the web. Within seconds, it scrapes the web, realizes my location is Australia, and delivers localized news along with international headlines. And just like that, Telegram is linked to Hermes Agent. You can now message your own AI agent to search the web, read your files, and help you get your things done from your phone. But right now, your bot only works while your computer is awake and running. If you want it running 24/7, even when your laptop is closed, you'll need to move it to a VPS. Watch this next video of mine to see how to use Hostinger to host your VPS so that your bot never sleeps. Subscribe for more helpful AI tips, and I'll see you in the next one.